Hi, today I will show you how to import one-click demo data on Fmwave radio station WordPress theme. First, download the theme from the theme forest. Log in into the WordPress admin end. Now, navigate the WordPress admin menu, Appearance, Themes. Now click Add New. Then Upload Theme. We will select the theme file. Click on Source File, then see where you have downloaded the file from Inverter Market, that is Theme Forest. Go to Main FM folder. See, here is two files, fmwave.zip, fmwave child.zip. First I will install the fmwave.zip. This is the theme installer file. We need child theme if we want to do any customization work. Then we will use child theme. So select fmwave.zip, click on Install Now button. Now need to activate the theme. Click Active button. It will ask your purchase code. You need to add your theme forest purchase code here to activate the theme. After activate the theme, you will see the required plugins. This theme required the following plugins. You need to install it. Without required plugin, theme will not work properly. And this is the recommended plugin. You need to install this plugin if you want to use WooCommerce and others functionality. Let's click on Begin installing plugins. Now I will select all plugins. From the drop down list, click Install. Now click on Apply button. It will take some time. Let's wait. Okay, after all plugin installs, I will click the Return to Installed plugin installer. Now I need to activate the plugins. I select the all plugins, then select Activate, click on Apply button. All plugins are installed. Let's go to plugins list. Plugins, installed plugin. You will find all plugin list are here. Let's find RT demo import plugin. This is the RT demo import plugin. Now click on Install demo content. See, we have 4 home pages now. Select which home page data you want to install. Remember, this on-click demo data will replace your current site data. So if you have any data in your existing site, don't follow this step. We have alternative demo data import for existing data. Now click Install button. Here is also the notice. click OK. It will take some time. After all installation done, it will redirect to home page. So our demo import process is done. This is the home page. Now we will see there are few features that related with the date and time, like next show, current show, and others. This depends on WordPress settings. From the admin menu, go to settings. We will set the time zone here. You can select your time zone. Depends on your selection. Front end, current show, and next show will display. So we are done. On click demo import. If you face any issue, please mail support@radiustheme.com. We will help you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching our video.